Hey YouTube, if you want to continue to join the cleaner in his fight against grime, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be alerted when new videos are uploaded, hit the bell icon beside it. Alright guys, enjoy the video. That's right YouTube, you guessed it, today we're detailing the old lawnmower. Why you ask? Because after a season of mowing, you're getting ready to put her up for the winter. You're going to want to get her prime time shine. And you don't want that old faded lawnmower look after just a couple of seasons. You want to keep her looking good. So today, we're going to blow it off with the leaf blower. We're going to hit her with the Rain-X waterless wash because you don't want to hit it with a pressure washer or even just a hose. The manual even says don't do that, just blow it off. But I think a waterless wash is going to work out just great, and the Rain-X one comes with a little protection in it. We got our APC, it's Griot's Garage interior cleaner, and then we're going to put some UV protection and restore the plastic trim and maybe some rubber with the Silk Shine dressing. Let's check it out. All that loose dirt, leaves, sticks, whatever. Now we're gonna wash all the painted surfaces off with some Rain-X waterless rain repellent, and probably the rubber mat, probably hit that too. See how that turns out. And this might go ahead and dress that as well. We will find out. And let's get to it. Wipe down the seat and the controls and the fuel gauge cluster and whatever else is on top with the interior cleaner. Alright, finally we're going to add some UV protection with the Silk Shine dressing from Chemical Guys. I apply it to all the plastic, all the seat, maybe some rubber, and we'll get back to you. You really want the neighbors looking at you funny, go ahead and put your Silk Shine on the UFO pad and shine up them tires. there you go. That's how you detail your lawnmower. Camera overheated when I went to use the Silk Shine, I believe, because it's 1,000,000 degrees out here and we still got plenty of grass cutting season to go. But when you're ready to clean your mower, that's how you do it. See you guys down the road. Clean her out. Like and subscribe.